Hey everybody, this is 27 Turo here, doing chronograph test of the 180 grain Golden Saber by Remington, 40 Smith & Wesson. They got that brass jacket on there, kind of like the looks of it. We'll see how it shoots. Got the chronograph set up there, and try it out. Let's see. Alright, that was 5 shots. We've got low of 914, high of 958, average 938, my bad, spread of 35.7, and 13.9 is our standard deviation. 5-shot group. Alright. Well, they were consistent, a little slow, but not bad. I think they advertise 1,015 or 1,025 feet a second. So out of the shorter barrel, it's not too bad.